Mama. Today I am at the playground and reading a book for you called Splat, the Cat Takes the Cake. Splat the cat sat watching Super Cat on TV. It was his favorite show. This time, brave Super Cat was saving his tiny town from an awful earthquake. Splat said, I want to be a brave hero too. Eek! Look out, a snake! Sin more, I'll save you. So Splat saved Sin more from a sneaky snake, but he forgot to beware of his mango milkshake. Splat! Explained Dad. No more Super Cat, no more TV. No more TV, Splat groaned. No more TV, said his mom. Why not take a bike ride to the lake? Yes, I could use a break, said Splat. Splat took off on his bike. Riding helped him shake his mango milkshake mistake. On his way to the lake, Splat's a big sign. A clever thought crossed his mind. He could bake a TV-winning cake. What a new TV! Cake baking contest! Splat never made it to the lake. Instead, he sped home to bake his cake. He opened Mom's cake book and looked and flipped. But no cake is that in that book. The tippy-top look of a super first prize cake. Cake cookbook. Chef. No, many ones. Many. No. So, Splat said, I'll bake my own super duper cake. One that nobody else can make. Oh, this is this picture. And this picture. Yes. So Splat said, I'll bake my own super duper cake. One that nobody else can make. Splat said, let's see. Need a large pan or two, or maybe 3. Chef. Splat put in all the things he needed to bake a super duper cake. Splat said to Seamower, more cake flour makes more cake powder. Then he added one more thing. The cake was now ready to bake. But then the last thing Splat added was a big mistake. Splat! Now there was no cake. And there was a big mess! what to do and how to bake his super cake. As a contest, Splat was ready. Spike was there with his cake. Kitten was there with her cake. Splat had baked the cake too. Spike's cake was wider. Kitten's cake was prettier. Plank's cake was taller. What was Splat's cake super enough? The judges looked closely at every cake baked. They tasted the cakes, they talked together. Then one judge said, "Our top judge will now award the Super Cake Prize." Surprise! The top judge was really Super Cat. Splat, the cat takes the cake. The Super Cat, cat. She takes the cake. Splat was very happy. When he got home, he said, "Now it's time to watch Super Cat." "It's you who takes the cake," Super Cat whispered. Splat. Bye-bye, Jason. I love you. I need. Tutup ka, suwayo po.